Hey guys, welcome to Earnest Reviews. This is Ernest Felix here. Today I want to discuss with you a product by name Tube Tornado. Nowadays, if you have noticed, people have lost their patience. Nobody wants to watch long movies, long videos. Instead, they're walking short, snackable, 15 to 30 seconds on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. So, this is the latest trend. And if it's going to be a very big video, people just skip, they just run through it. They don't want to see the whole video. So, this is the trend. You should have a look at YouTube Tornado. Newbie people with no skills, no experience, no ideas, and some by just pure luck unknowingly are making about $500 to $1,000 per day with this method. Let's get right in and find out what is this Tube Tornado is all about. And this Tube Tornado is going live today, the 13th at 10 a.m. ETD. That is just few hours from now. So if you feel that this is the product you have been waiting for so long, just have a look at the review. A small demo for you to judge the product, and you can also go through the sales page and the other videos. See you right in. Tube Tornado. This is so simple, you'll beat yourself up for not finding it sooner. This is what the sales page says. Starts with, it's stupidly simple. 3-click software makes us $500 per day posting lame 15 seconds videos without being on a camera, without any skills, budget, or experience. Sounds interesting and sounds impossible. Let us check it out, what it is all about. Now, if you have noticed, the traffic landscape has changed drastically in 2022, which is true. As I already told you in the intro, people are just skipping through videos. They don't like to see the complete video. They like to see only in parts which interest them. Otherwise, they just skip it out. This is what the real trend is right now. And that is why YouTube Shorts is becoming very popular. It is still in the beginning stage, but then still it has really captured the attention of many people. Just check here. Some of the results people are getting with shorts. 3 million views posting other people's videos. They are not even making their own videos. They are only posting somebody else's videos. 24 billion views posting 5 seconds videos. And 1.4 billion views posting 30 seconds review videos. And all this without being on camera, without running ads, without subscribers base, without outsourcing. So with YouTube Tornado, you can quickly and easily create attention-grabbing YouTube shorts and drive traffic and sales to your website, blogs, and offers. After this, I'll talk to you about the prices and the upsells of Tube Tornado, and then I will show you a demo which will make you understand. And then we'll talk about the bonuses that you'll be getting once you buy this product from me, by clicking the link below this video. So the front end costs $17. Copy the fastest and the easiest and most silliest way to pull in tens of thousands of visitors every single day from YouTube. Create hundreds of attention-grabbing viral YouTube shorts that drive traffic to your website, blog, and offers. Add your videos or use other people's viral videos to create shorts. Pick a highly converting and highly engaging templates or start from the scratch. Fully fledge your simple editor to customize your videos, customize your branding, and add incredible call to actions that gets people clicking. Add text overlays to your videos for even more engagement. Viral code generator, fax generator, viral shorts finder, royalty-free music library, and real human a voiceover to your shots using our text to speech engine, 100 plus inbuilt premium stock image and videos. Export your videos in 720 or 1080 pixel HD. Commercial license during launch period. Once you buy it during the launch period, you get the commercial license. These are the things that is in offer from the front end by paying $17. Then comes your OTO one, which is $37. This will only be a professional version of the front end version, so you get more to it. Downsells $27 of the pro version without the commercial rights. OTO 2 is $47, rank simple little videos for multiple keywords at one page of Google and YouTube. Here also without commercial license, you can get it at $37. OTO 3 is $47. Turn any, even the oldest and the lamest videos on the web into your own viral social micro videos. This is $37 without the commercial license. And OTO 4, each client will have access to the features of the YouTube Tornado, 50 to 250 accounts. Basically, I think this is the reseller one, which will cost you $197 to $297. And OTO 5 is yet to come, which will also cost you $197 to $297. If you feel the product is not good and if you find any glitches in the software, you can take your money back. So now let's see the demo video. The sales video is on the sales page. By just clicking here, you'll go into the sales page and you'll be able to see the sales page. I will not waste your time. We are talking about YouTube Shorts, talking about people skipping your videos, and I don't want to waste your time. Let's make it quick. I will go to the video. I will show you the demo video, how the software works, and then I'll come into my bonuses and the vendor bonuses.
Five reasons why you must start affiliate marketing today. 1. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money without having to create your own product. 2. You can work from home and be your own boss. 3. You don't need a lot of startup capital. 4. Affiliate marketing is a low-risk investment. 5. Affiliate marketing is a great way to build your brand and reputation online. Want to learn how to make $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing? Subscribe and check the link in the description below to get started now.
Yeah, friends, these are my bonuses. You'll get it from me once you buy the YouTube Tornado from my link. Bonus number 1 is your bonus library. Get a Surefire Wealth Silver Level Pass with hundreds of products to download and offer as bonuses in your promotions. Bonus number 2 is a blogging advice for beginners. Learn the proven strategies to generate premium blog traffic for free. Bonus number 3, Google Display Network hacks. You can learn how to drastically increase your traffic with Google Display Network. Bonus number 4, killer blogging conversion tips. Learn the secrets to increase your blogs, and you also get the fast action bonus from Tube Tornado. There are 10 fast action bonuses for you. I will show you the bonuses too. You will get it if you act fast. You can access the bonus from Wire Plus, access affiliate bonuses over here. And these are the earnestly awesome bonuses for you. Guys, now let's check out on the fast action bonuses which the vendor gives you. It's exclusive bonus number 1, viral video, WordPress theme. If you want to generate evergreen and repetitive traffic from your traffic 100K videos, this is the bonus you can access from Warrior Plus. And bonus number 2 is a viral secrets exposed. Combine these strategies with your usual marketing to maximize your results with it. To going a secret code to going viral, confessions of viral media spy. Bonus number 3, rapid Instagram profits. Just getting started with Instagram, learn the secrets by using this. Bonus number 4, modern vlogging. So this will give you all the courses, video courses of how to vlog. Bonus number 5, YouTube views case study. Bonus number 6, how to become a successful social media influencer. Bonus number 7, case studies. Bonus number 8, personal branding blueprint. Bonus number 9, storytelling marketing. And bonus number 10, buyer triggers. So these are the bonuses from the vendor. Totally, you'll be getting about 14 bonuses, which will be really worth it. Price. I'll just rush to the sales page that you'll see once you click on the link what I've given you. There is a video here about the introduction of the product, the limited time commercial license that are included. Go through these things at your leisure time and quickly understand before buying what you will be getting with Tube Tornado. Still 99% of the marketers have no idea about it, so you are going to get a first-hand information of using YouTube Shorts. Why YouTube Tornado? So reasons are given here. Well, friends, so this is a short review from my side. I don't know how much you'll be able to use this, but I feel it is a good idea going for a Tube Tornado and using YouTube Shorts to put your blogs or your reviews across and make some money. But again, all depends upon how we are going to use it to make this amount. To make it big or not making it big is all in your hands. And since there is a 30-day money back guarantee and there are so many bonuses, you can try it for yourself, how good the product is, and earn money if you put in some work. So that's it, my friends. Thanks a lot for staying with me till the end. I hope you like my review. If you like my review, put a like and also subscribe to my channel and share my channel to your friends. I'll be coming out with more and more reviews. I hope you enjoy them. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.